Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're exploring a nail polish that's been around for a while but still keeps catching attention. Hansen Xtreme Wear Nail Polish in the shade Mauve Over. It's marketed as a streak-free, long-lasting nail color with major shine, and it's 100% vegan. At just 0.1 fufalots, it's compact enough to slip into your makeup bag, promising bold color anytime, anywhere. Opening the bottle, the first thing that stands out is the classic Sally Hansen brush. It's wide enough to cover the nail in a few strokes without flooding the cuticles. The formula itself is thin but pigmented, which is key for achieving that streak-free claim. I applied 2 coats, which is standard for this line, and the coverage was even, smooth, and shiny right out of the bottle. In daily wear, this polish held up well under typical conditions: typing, washing hands, and even light cleaning. But like most non-gel polishes, it began showing minor tip wear around day 3. The dry time is reasonably fast, so you can move on with your day without that awkward waiting period. What I really appreciate is the shade Mauve Over. It's a soft yet sophisticated mauve that works well for both casual and professional settings, making it versatile for a variety of looks. One thing to note is that because the formula is thin, it can be a little unforgiving with streaks if applied too thickly. On the upside, it layers nicely and builds color without becoming goopy. The brush and formula combination makes it beginner-friendly, and cleanup is straightforward with a standard nail polish remover. So the pros: streak-free finish with the right technique, glossy shine, vegan formula, easy-to-use brush, and a flattering color. On the flip side, the longevity is decent, but not extraordinary. It's fine for a long weekend, but may require a touch-up for a full week of wear. Also, the small bottle size is convenient, but may run out faster for those who paint frequently. Value-wise, Sally Hansen Xtreme Wear is generally affordable, and for the quality of the color and application experience, it's justified. It competes well with other drugstore brands like Revlon Colorstay or Essie's standard range, especially if you prefer a streak-free, quick-drying polish in a smaller, travel-friendly bottle. The packaging feels sturdy, and the polish itself doesn't settle into a thick syrup with time, which is a plus for shelf life. I haven't personally interacted with customer service for this product, but Sally Hansen's reputation in the beauty industry for responsive support and consistent product quality is strong. If budget is a concern, there are comparable options like Wet n Wild Mega Last, which offers similar color payoff and wear for a slightly lower price, though the brush may not be as user-friendly. Overall, Sally Hansen Xtreme Wear in Mauve Over is a reliable, easy-to-use nail polish that delivers on its promise of shine and streak-free application. It's perfect for anyone looking for a go-to everyday shade that's quick to apply and vegan-friendly. If this review helped you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for stopping by Beautyistic. If you've tried this polish, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it works for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.